Greetings from Kotak Mutual Fund. The budget for FY22 is coming with lots of expectations. A successful budget will be one where revenues are raised without raising taxes, where money is spent on supporting COVID-19 impacted sectors, and where we maintain a path of fiscal prudence like before. This budget will lay the foundation for growth beyond FY22 and more importantly, make India like an oasis among the desert. Today, all over the world, governments are spending money to support economy. Fortunately for India, we can raise resources without raising taxes. There is no need to change long-term capital gain tax or STT or income tax rates. If at all, there is a solid case for increasing exemptions and providing support to the middle class. The government can raise resources by monetizing its assets like defense land, railway land, transmission towers, roads. The government can raise money by doing strategic divestment rather than market divestment of its PSUs. The government can raise money by bringing gold disclosure scheme, whereby gold lying in Tijori becomes part of white economy. The government can also raise resources by creating, let's say, ethical hacking equivalent scheme, whereby chartered accountants can give feedback to the government where their tax laws have loopholes and where people are avoiding paying fair share of taxes. By focusing on raising resources without raising taxes, government will have money to support economic growth, which is improving day by day. There are sectors in economy like construction, travel, tourism, hotel, retailing, which has been hit badly by COVID-19. There is a need to stimulate them so that economic growth becomes faster. And while doing so, we can also remain committed to fiscal prudence. This kind of budget will truly inspire confidence of investors, will support economic growth beyond FY22, and make India a preferred investment destination.